Wow! Looks like a real emerald! What a miracle! Hi, I'm Bubbly. Now we will make this beautiful soap in a very simple way. Let's go to. We will need a container, which is found in every kitchen. Of course, it should be microwave safe. Next, we need a very clear soap base. My favorite is this one. Cut the soap base into small cubes, place in a container, and melt in the microwave. Do not let the soap base boil. When the soap base has melted, add a little green color from the ZENICOLOR 5 set, a little fragrance, and mix thoroughly. Spray with alcohol and hold tight. When it hardens, remove it from the mold and cut it with a knife into a crystal shape. That's all! We did it! Look how attractive this soap looks. Do you like it? Then please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Bye and see you in the next video.